You just heard it mentioned there. Tomorrow, the Kansas Supreme Court will hear arguments in the death penalty cases of Reginald and Jonathan Carr. The brothers were sentenced to death for the murders of 5 people in Wichita back in December of 2000. The court will hear arguments focused on their appeals after a Sedgwick County judge denied their request for new sentencing hearings. The Carr brothers want a chance to relitigate the death sentence portion of this, but the state says the issue has already been resolved. Their sentences have been reversed and then reinstated multiple times by both the Kansas and U.S. Supreme Courts.